teen driver safety, getting to school safely, and on time. You've hit the snooze button for the 10th time today, and now you're late for school. No matter how late you are, it's always better to arrive safely. Here are a few tips you'll want to practice every time you drive. If you're already running late, it's easy to get frustrated. Talking on your cell phone or texting while driving are some of the worst driving practices, but they're not the only distractions you need to avoid. When you're on your way to school, or anywhere else for that matter, always keep your eyes on the road. Not only will obeying the rules help you avoid getting a ticket, but since speeding is one of the top causes of driving fatalities, it will also help protect you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road. Remember that being a few minutes late for school is much better than causing an accident. When you're on your way to and from school, always watch out for those big yellow buses. Remember, if a bus is flashing yellow lights, it's preparing to stop. When you're already in a hurry, it's easy to forget that you have to slow down for school zones. In most states, the speed limit in a school zone is between 15 miles per hour and 25 miles per hour. Always drive slowly and carefully through these zones, watching out for children who could suddenly dart out into the street. Expect there to be increased traffic in school zone areas, and remember that there are likely to be pedestrian crosswalks nearby as well. Not only will this help you avoid traffic accidents, but you can also earn a discount on your insurance rate. Thanks for watching.